GenieVision has developed groundbreaking software in the field of visual intelligence using artificial intelligence, deep learning, and user analytics on a blockchain platform. As shown here, GenieVision software has a wide range of applications for multiple verticals. The software can be used for face recognition, traffic management, crowd management, perimeter protection, among many other uses. Faces can be identified and registered along with age and gender. Emotions such as happy, angry, etc. can be detected. With respect to traffic management, GenieVision can provide vehicle counts, detect speeding and red light violations, recognize license plates, and aid in parking management. Crowd counts, queue wait times, crowd direction can all be monitored using our system. All of these can be applied in multiple verticals such as building security, public security, in public places such as airports, train stations, stadiums, schools, colleges. Security can be enforced in schools with enhanced emotion detection, weapon detection, dark and deep web monitoring. User analytics can be of immense use in targeting customers for the retail industry. Our traffic management solutions can be adopted by cities and counties nationwide. We have adapted highly accurate deep learning techniques that facilitate object detection, classification, and location. For example, objects can be classified as humans, vehicles, or animals, along with their physical attributes such as height, gender, age, color of their clothing, etc. Activity being performed by objects such as walking and direction can be identified as well. The exact coordinates of the object in question can be located. With machine learning, performance, accuracy, and efficiency increases over time. The algorithms are constantly learning and self-training, and therefore there is a huge scope for advanced applications, wherein the algorithms can be interfaced with new techniques can be applied. Advanced emotion detection is one such highly advanced feature wherein emotions such as joy, anger, and contempt can be detected for a face. Emotions can be detected within a crowd as well. For example, if a crowd is agitated. This helps in crowd management and public security. Data can be integrated with other sensors across locations for IoT services. As you can see, GenieVision software has numerous applications that can be applied across multiple verticals. Perimeters can be secured by enabling intruder detection, loitering detection, line and zone crossing. Any suspicious objects left unattended or moved from specific locations can be detected. Crowds can be managed better by detecting crowd counts, excessive crowds, movement in reverse direction, and wait times in a queue. Our facial recognition features, traffic and parking management features, heat maps can be applied to verticals such as public security for airports, train stations, stadiums, etc., school security, and the retail industry. Perimeter security can be a valuable addition to banks and critical infrastructure, oil and gas rigs. Suspicious activity detection, crowd management, parking management, and perimeter security can be applied to enhance building security. Our deployment process is simple and easy to implement. The steps are shown here. We gather requirements from the client, do a POC, proof of concept, deploy the software, and train the security personnel. Our software can be deployed on Windows or other platforms, on-premises or cloud, and can be integrated with a VMS or external data sources. GenieVision software can be installed with a VMS, video management system, on the same or on another machine. Video feeds can be taken directly from the camera or the VMS. Alarms are sent to the VMS viewer. Application can run as a Windows service on a Windows machine, can be hosted locally, on-premises, or on the cloud. Alarms can be sent over the WAN when not on premises. Alarm Center can be hosted on the cloud too. Applications for each vertical are listed here. For traffic management, speeding vehicles, red light violations, and illegal parking can be detected. Vehicle counts and make can be obtained. Our product's ability to detect the ID faces, gender, age, emotions can be applied for school security. Kids are monitored for abnormal behavior, carrying weapons, Suspicious activity on the dark web or social sites, and security personnel can be alerted. Perimeter security, parking management, and suspicious object detection can be very valuable for building security. Footfall statistics and heat maps can help in efficient customer retargeting and marketing. All of these are explained in further detail in the next few slides. This is a more comprehensive list of all features. Any zone crossing or trespassing, loitering, line crossing or tripwire, camera tampering can be alerted to. Faces can be recognized along with age, gender, ID'd and stored. Emotions can be detected. PTZ cameras can be set to auto zoom if required to get a proper snapshot. If a camera detects smoke, an alarm can go off. Up to 8 videos can be stitched. Suspicious objects can be monitored and detected when left unattended. Crowd counts, flow, direction of movement can be monitored. We've already talked about face and emotion recognition. In addition, a face frequency can be captured as well. Traffic can be monitored for vehicle stats, traffic violations. Parking can be managed by receiving alerts for available parking spots, vehicles that haven't egressed on time, etc. This slide shows the basic features provided for perimeter protection. Zone or line crossing and trespassing by individuals can be identified and alarms set. PTZ cameras work in auto mode, where they can zoom in automatically to get a snapshot of the intruder. These features are very useful to detect intruders in fenced areas, to guard critical infrastructure areas by monitoring zones, etc. Our cameras work any time of the day in all weather conditions. These videos show intruders and zone crossings being detected. Advanced features that can be enabled for the previous applications. Objects can be tracked using PTZ cameras. Preset positions can be set with the PTZ, pan, tilt, and zoom cameras. Any violations detected on the fixed camera will trigger the PTZ camera to zoom in as configured. Camera can be zoomed to get a snapshot of the intruder. Also, if an object goes out of range, a different PTZ camera can be used to track. In this video, you can see how the PTZ cameras tilt and zoom automatically to get a snapshot of intruders when detected far away. This slide discusses loitering detection, left and missing object detection. Objects to be monitored, specific area to be monitored, and time period to be monitored can be set for loitering detection. Any object left unattended for more than a preset time can trigger alarms. This is a very valuable feature for public areas where suspicious baggage can be monitored. Objects configured if moved out of the defined area for more than specified time periods will trigger alarms. Use cases would be museums, critical infrastructure, etc. You can see in these videos suspicious trespassing and left object detection. The object has been left unattended, and this has been detected. Crowd management features. Crowd counts. Percentage of area occupied can be procured. Thresholds can be specified so that an alarm is triggered when thresholds are crossed. Crowd's counter movement can trigger alarms and alert security. Crowd counting can be enabled in multi-directions, and wait times for queues can be calculated as well. This video shows how a virtual line can be set and a count obtained for number of people crossing this line. Crowd movement and direction can be tracked. You can see how crowd direction is monitored here. Crowds within a specified area are monitored constantly. More crowd and queue management features. Our queue management techniques are very efficient with dense crowds. Crowd counting can be enabled in multi-directions, and wait times for queues can be calculated as well. This video shows queues being monitored. Queue wait times can be estimated. These features can be applied to the retail industry. Heat maps can be created for customer flow within a show or an area for a specified time period. Heat maps can be exported. People or customers' path of movement can be traced. These analytics can be of great value while setting up trade shows to determine the placement of booths for most ROI from the show. The same holds for retail spaces too. Placement of items, consumer goods can be done more efficiently where it works best. These are a few more aspects of traffic management. A virtual line can be set and all vehicles crossing the line can be counted. Vehicle color, type, car, truck, etc. can be identified as well. Reports for the same can be generated from dashboard. These can be integrated to the Auto Reports emailer. Cameras can detect illegal parking, and also parking spaces available can be alerted as well. Any traffic congestion can be detected and wait times can be estimated. As you can see, virtual lines can be set and vehicle counts can be obtained for vehicles crossing the line. More traffic management features here. Illegal parking in specified preset areas can be detected and trigger alarms. Speed limit violations, vehicles traveling the opposite way can be flagged to raise alarms. License plates can be detected and registered for vehicles. Vehicle counts can be obtained, bi-directional and illegal parking can be detected, as you can see in these videos. This video shows speeds being captured for all passing vehicles within the set area. LPD and LPR, ANPR. License plate images can be captured by the camera and license number can be identified from the captured image. Alarms can be triggered for vehicles that do not egress even after timeout from parking lots. Red light violations or any other traffic rule violations can be detected and concerned vehicle identified. Stolen cars can be detected and place of registration can be tracked through traffic surveillance system in the city or highway. Recognized vehicles can be charged toll fees automatically. Objects to be classified can be configured within the application and system. For example, vehicles, make and type can be classified. For every vehicle, a snapshot of the license plate is taken and the license plate identified from that. Objects can be classified accurately as people or vehicles using deep learning algorithms and multiple filters. As you can see, objects can be classified as people and vehicles. Here are the prominent facial recognition features. Faces are captured and stored. Faces can be ID'd, matched against the database, and new faces registered to the database. For any individual, the software can identify age, gender, ethnicity, appearance such as a beard, glasses, any headgear, etc. You can search for specific people in the database. Searches are extremely fast, efficient, and can scan up to 10 million records. Alarms can be set to go off for specific blacklisted people. Forensic searches can be performed for suspect images to look for close matches. This video shows how faces are captured in a crowd. Emotions such as sad, happy, angry can be detected. Emotion detection holds most value in the retail sector for customer analytics. Retail stores can be designed in the most efficient manner and customer reactions for better product management. Here you can see emotions of customers being detected in a retail gas station. These are some facial recognition features that can be very valuable for retail marketing. Number of faces in the camera view and over a time period can be counted. GenieVision can detect how much time any face was in view and how frequently a recognized face appeared in the camera along with age and gender. These features can be applied for deciding a public ad's location, viewership, audience counts and interest, customer visits frequency, VIPs especially, and demographic analysis. All of this will help create better, more efficient retail marketing. Any smoke detected in the camera can trigger alerts to personnel. You can see the camera detecting smoke here. System can be set up to subsequently generate fire alarm to personnel. Multiple videos from multiple cameras, up to 8, in multiple locations can be stitched together to provide a broader, panoramic view. This can be seen in the video. Our dashboard has many useful features. Analytics can be configured for all features described earlier. Plots can be exported in JPEG or CSV formats. Reports can be generated per zone for multiple cameras in the zone and uploaded. Heat and motion maps generated can be viewed. GenieVision software can be installed with a VMS, video management system, on the same or another machine. Video feed can be taken directly from the camera or the VMS. Alarms are sent to the VMS viewer. Application can run as a Windows service on a Windows machine. GenieVision can be hosted locally, on premises, or on the cloud. Alarms can be sent over the WAN when not on premises. Alarm Center can be hosted on the cloud too. GenieVision's top management has over 100 years of combined experience, and they are serial entrepreneurs, innovators, patent holders, and technology executives.